service tomorrow. Even you at home don't stay. All of you at home on the 1st of May, coming to Durban. I'll be there in Durban. Greyville Primary School.
Online prayer.
The whole night. Darkness move. So that light comes in. The people come out of online prayer.
So maybe
I'll be bringing my combo. It's going to open to get a combo. All people are going to be there. People of Durban. I'm there in Durban. Landa FM. Right now they are announcing I'll have a slot as well on Landa FM. Every once a week on Landa FM. People of Durban. Listen to I'll be praying for and bring all the spirits. I'm going to fight. I'm going to be armed with all the weapons of spirit. When they say armed, you raise up all the things. Not the arms of wellness. Your weapon. Not a weapon. People are just going to scare. It's holiness. Weapons of spirit. Keep people in church with these things. Speak, Father. Weapons that you use to horrify yourself. Don't just go out. Don't sleep at night. Even what you eat, don't eat just anything. As I put here, there's an angel. I'm not afraid of anything because I know my shepherd is there. Stay there. It sits. I build your father's home. Those who drink alcohol are full. They are hurting because they still drink alcohol. If you are drunk, you fall down. You fall down on your head. Enter a ditch.
There are many people souls of alcohol. People have got scars. Others are beaten today. Eyes are sore. They've got scars. They've got sores. I burn your enemies and zombies. Dark spirits and waters. Burn it today. Have my priest. Your church won't help you. You zombies, spirits, I'm burning you. There are some stones that I was told to put you. When I put you in this you must leave today. But my child, when you come to me, kneeling here, confess. Before I put you in the steam. Priests preaching Christmas prayers. Others they are not trusted. They are not trusted. If you've got stress when you're not trusted, wife is not trusted. People are going to see you. When I get this sign, I stay there. In certain bedroom. When I get to the garage, you see people.
When I was where
you drink alcohol,
go
out there.
Hey, Salmanan.
Greetings.
Help me,
Father. Help me, Father. Cleanse me, Father. When I do sins, I'm on TikTok and on TV. There's no way I can hide. Even if I go to a hotel, what am I working with? We've seen him. The priests. The priests. Do you see how he preaches on the side? Priests today, they don't preach the way they take care of themselves. Even when you're watching on TV, he doesn't have the feature of being a priest. The priests of today,
noma babuke emapulpiti
see them on pulpits.
ngeke ngisasho ngoba bawuze bangizonda
They'll
noma babona nje abantu ukuthi uyosumfuna umfundisi phakathi kwabantu ngiyena umfundisi la uyosumbona phambili ukuthi umfundisi
see him just
ngoba
as
isimo sakhe
his feature
sishutha-ke umfundisi
shows that he's not a
kodwa
priest.
uzowethuka
You'll be
esegibela lapha epulpiti
As he comes up the
bona
pulpit,
esegibela epulpiti yokwethuka
you'll be frightened.
ngokutshela hawu le ndoda
This man,
vele anda ngapha
the underwear appears.
mangabe umfundisi kumele kubonakale uhluke phakathi kwabantu abantu abasuka ngisho ungekho
Even if you are not in church,
angifaki nje itransfer
I don't even put on tracksuits.
angifaki iqembu noma umfundisi ufike efake iqembu
Finally, we
fake
are
iqembu
put techies
fake jean mina
or jeans.
uyongifika ngisho
You'll find me like this.
nasekhaya uyongifika ngisho
Even at home, you'll find me.
nasekhaya baba
My father's
uyongifika
home.
ngisho
You'll find me like this.
makukhanya ukukhanya kwenu phambi kwabantu
You must light in front of people.
anginasikhathi seqembu
When you have time for techies
endlini
at home,
uyongifika ngifake
you'll find me.
anginankinga amphumi
I don't come out.
mayifaki itransfer endlini
Put my tracksuit inside my heart. Inside my heart.
endlini
In the
hayi
house.
ngaphandle
Not outside.
umuntu ezelini
When a person comes-
ngiphume ngifake ijini
I'll
noma
never
ngifake
come out with
amatransfer
or
uma
tracksuit.
usumuntu stop babusageza
Father still
sakho
when you're dressing up.
ngizobe ngishintsha ngalo
And I will be changing my
bese
dress.
ukuphuma ngilento yasi
I will come out with the thing that you know as a man.
sanibonani wathi
Greetings.
ngisize baba
Help me, Father.
size baba
Help me, Father.
sesizobela baba ukuthi inkosi ikuseke ekuswini
God bless what you heard.
ukulabe nani
God be with you.
nakusasa sibonani
Tomorrow we may see each other.
mhlawumbe